Hi, today I'm going to just explain to you how to crochet from a chart. I know there are a lot of symbols. I've just printed a sheet which came from myhappilyevercrafted.com, and it's just a sheet on the 7 basic crocheting stitches you'll see on a chart. There are a lot for different stitches. There's, front post, back post, cluster stitch, shell stitch. Yeah, and there's a large range of chart symbols that one uses in crocheting. So I thought I'd just show you the most common ones, and I got this sheet from myhappilyevercrafted.com. You can see the web address at the bottom there. Okay, so for a chain you would just get an oval, and I have with me, I'll show you now how to look on a chart, crocheting chart. Sorry, a slip stitch, which is just the black dot, single crochet, which is always a little cross. Then you get the half double crochet, which is a T, double crochet, a T with one line in the center, treble crochet has 2, double treble has 3 lines, and you can see there's a pattern. With single crochet, it's just a simple hook into the stitch, wool over, pull out, hook, wool over, and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Half double is the exception because it also looks like a T. Double crochet, you wind the wool around your hook once before you insert it into the stitch that you are to do the double crochet in. Treble, you wind it around twice, and double treble, you wind it around 3 times, and then you will have a total of 4 loops on your hook, which is the top one and the 3 at the end. So you can see that with the basic stitches, it's quite easy. This is how a crochet chart will look. Don't know if you can see very well. So at the bottom there's a little 7 saying that you need to chain in a multiple of 7 plus 4 chain, which will be the turning chain here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 7 at the bottom here, I don't know if you can see, there, the little 7 is saying that you need to chain a multiple of 7 stitches, and then plus 4, which is the turning chain at the bottom here, at the side here. Then it will be a, as you can see from our key, it's a double crochet into the 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th chain from the hook, you do a double crochet. You chain 2 and you skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, where you do 4 double crochet in the 6th chain. You chain 2, and in the next chain there's the 4 double crochets. In the next chain you do a double crochet, and so it goes across. And then for the next row 2, you will chain 4 turning chain. They say row 2, and then you work across. The WS stands for wrong side, and the RS stands for right side. Some patterns, chart patterns, will have the written instructions, but I made a poncho where it was just all of this and no text whatsoever, just the chart. So next time you see something that you would like to make and it happens to unfortunately come in a chart form and not a written form, in like sentences, it comes with all these scary looking symbols. It's not that hard. Once you start and you've got your key with you for the beginning, you sit with your key and you work through your stitches and you work through your chart. I recommend you start with a simple one first. It's not that as scary as it looks. It's pretty straightforward. In fact, it's actually clearer to see it on a chart than when someone writes here 1 double crochet and etc, because sometimes they have to explain something and it doesn't always come out. They understand it, but they didn't write it in the way that everyone would understand it. So let me know how you found your chart patterns, and let me know if you need any more help. I'm happy to give you the help. And you can find this crochet cheat sheet from myhappilyevercrafted.com. And there are others you can find on pinterest.com. If you search up crochet chart symbols or something in that in those keywords, you can. There's one that I actually found that is like 6 pages long, the amount of stitches one can have written in symbol form. Good luck.